I was doing a lot of live streams on StreamYard and using their little countdown tool. And then all of a sudden my newsfeed all looked the same and all my videos looked the same and it was really bad. Anyway, so I figured out how to make a countdown for StreamYard using Canva, and it's totally free. So I'm gonna show you that today. Hi guys, it's Veronica from Veronika's Ventures. I make new videos every Wednesday and Sunday on personal growth and development. I share my journey and the life hacks I learn along the way to help you be successful too. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a completely free countdown for your live stream videos using Canva. Tune in.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a countdown for your StreamYard videos. See how you can enter video clips here to play when you do your live streams? So it's going to look something like this. So to make something like that, you head on over to Canva. You can use the completely free version. In the search bar up here, you type video, and then you're going to select a blank template. Now on the toolbar here on the left, you're going to select your background. So I gotta scroll down a little bit here and select background. You can select a picture as a background, any color that you'd like. I personally like black. And then you're going to add a text box. I like to start with add heading just because it starts it already in a big bold font. And I'm gonna do a 30-second countdown video. I'm gonna change this font though. Go ahead and change the font and the font size to whatever you'd like. I'm going to make mine nice and big so it can be seen. Then I'm going to add a logo to this. So to add a logo or any picture whatsoever, if it's a picture that you own, you go to uploads. If you're adding a picture that is their stock footage, you go to photos. But I'm going to use the uploads. And I'm actually going to make this for my good friend Jeff, who has his old-fashioned real estate show, so I'm going to put his logo on this. And I'm just going to put it here. Now I'm going to change the font color. I'm going to see if I can make it match. Here, if you scroll down, you see where it says photo colors, and you can pull the colors that the program has determined is in this photo. So I'm going to try brown. I like it. I changed the font and added the logo, and then I went into effects and added shadow. I believe shadow is part of the paid version. I'm not 100% certain though, but that's just the look that I was looking for. So you want to make sure you get this slide completely the way you want it, because we're actually going to duplicate it. So one more thing before you move on, if you click on this slide here, you'll see here on the left hand side, it has the duration. So this is the duration of one slide. Up here on the right is the duration of the whole video. So I'm going to change the duration of this slide to 1, because I want each slide to be 1 second long. Once you click off of that, you're able to click up here where it says duplicate page, and you're going to make as many slides as you need for your countdown plus 1, and I'll show you why in just a moment. So I'm going to add, and then I'm going to go ahead and change the numbers in descending order. I'll fast forward here so you don't have to watch me change all of these numbers. If you are doing this along with me, feel free to pause the video until you get to the end, and I'll show you what to do at the very end when you get to that last slide. All right, finally got to the very end of my countdown. Now I'm going to duplicate this slide one more time. So now I have 31 slides, and I'm actually going to put the logo right here in the middle and make it nice and big. The reason I like to put a slide at the end is because, I don't know if you've noticed, but when you do a video clip on StreamYard, once the video clip is over, it goes right back over to where you are. You're live again. And so I like to give myself just a little bit of time to go from the countdown to when I'm live to get myself set. So I add this extra slide, and then I change the time on this slide only, up here at the left, to 5. And it gives me about 5 seconds to get my act together and get ready to go live. You click done. And so now you can see that the total time of my video is 35 seconds here. Now you go to download video. As you can see, the video has now downloaded itself here. And I'm going to go back over to StreamYard. And I'm going to scroll down here to video clips, and I'm going to upload it just so you can see what it's like. But I'm actually going to send this to my friend Jeff. But when you upload it, now that that video is uploaded, I'll go ahead and click it so you can see what the video looks like and see how it's doing the countdown. Isn't that awesome? Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I make a custom video clip of a countdown if StreamYard already includes one here? It's not because this one's not good, but I don't know if you've noticed, when you stream live, if you don't put a thumbnail, it'll show the number as kind of like the thumbnail. So if the beginning of your videos is always the same countdown, your videos are going to look all the same on your timeline. You don't want to do that. You want people to differentiate the fact that those are all different videos. And so what I've been trying to do is to make a countdown for each of my videos. And actually, pro tip, what you can do each time you make a new video is on the very first slide, you can change and add perhaps your title so that the countdown, when it shows the thumbnail on your timeline, especially on Facebook, then it'll show the title. So we could something like learn to make a countdown in ... And so if you change that every single video, you only have to make that one change, and it's already going to look different on your timeline. In my opinion, that makes a big difference.
If you got anything from today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new content. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Clubhouse, as well as at veronikaventures.com. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.